What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to download books on Google, okay? So basically you're gonna learn a simple tip to get your favorite books from Google into a nice way for free. Imagine that you want to read this book right here, okay? I'm gonna share with you a simple tip on Google search that's gonna let you download this book. But before I can continue, please take a moment to like this video. After, go to your Google search and type this file type .pdf, just like this. Then you're gonna type the book name, for example, Babylon Richard's Man. Imagine that you want to read this book, okay? So type file type .pdf Babylon Richard's Man into the Google search, and all the results right here gonna be PDFs. And you can search, for example, let me search this first one right here, and here is the book. Simple, right? Now all you have to do is click on download into the upper right corner of your screen, set a file name and save the files. Okay, now anytime that you want, you can read this book on your computer, or maybe you can send to your Kindle, to your tablet, anything that you want on your mobile. And here is the entire book. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our YouTube for more tips and ideas, and let me know into the comments what book are you reading now. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.